Hello everyone, this is introduction of backup setting in VMP software. First, backup setting within one device. Click Ports Backup. Backup function would be enabled automatically. Please note the backup relationship within one device is fixed. For MX40 Pro, it is port number 1 to port 11, port number 2 to port 12, just like this. Second, backup setting between two devices. First, right-click the device and click System Backup and add the backup device. Next, click Confirm. Please note the backup relationship between two devices' output ports are also fixed, like primary port number 1 to backup port number 1, primary port number 2 to backup port number 2, just like this.